What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new motorized bike video. I wanted to make this quick video because something interesting happened while I was just riding. I wasn't planning on really uploading this, but I did bring the camera with me and I was recording it. That's why I didn't bother checking the camera angle, so please don't hate me too much if I'm putting it down too much. But yeah, towards the end of the video you're gonna see that my head gasket on my AM6 like head, actually it seems like it had blew out. I have to verify that. I'm probably going to be working on the bike today to see if I need to buy a new one or not, but it's an easy fix, but it's a headache to fix it. But since I already lost coolant, it's not that big of a deal. Just pull off the 4 bolts at the top and just remove it, the old one, and then place the new one and then slap back together, add water, distill water and water wetter, and yeah, bike's back up and running. But like I said, I did want to make this video. I didn't want to scrap it because something did interesting happen on this bike. It has happened before. I fixed that and it has came back, so I have to figure out what's the cause. Maybe I need a better water pump or something like that to kind of keep the temps down, or I may have to reposition the radiator to get more airflow through it to cool the system a lot faster. Or another option too is on the AM6, my return and also my exhaust for the water is at the top portion of the head. So normally you have like a drain part where it's like underneath the head. I'm gonna see if I can pull up a picture right now, but yeah, so normally it drains the coolant out of the head through the bottom, and then you pour it in through the top. So I might have to just switch to that system because this is probably like the 2nd to 3rd time that I had blew a head gasket on this bike because of the cooling system. Like, the cooling system on this bike has never really ran perfectly on like probably like 4 to 5 hour like rides. I'm not normally riding my bike for like 30 minutes. I'm riding for like hours at a time. Alright, so doing that little pass, like going down and coming back up, as you can see the temp stayed about like 43 Celsius. So also pay attention, I'm not really pushing the bike right now, so this is like kind of like a gradual slope up. I'm not gaining as much speed. I'm probably doing about like 40, maybe 50. So at this part, I just turned into the parking lot and I'm just kind of just filling the bike out a little bit, just making sure everything kind of feel right before I go like full sand. Alright, so you can pretty much know that I've been through this before, so I immediately cut off the engine and I tried to start the engine back up. It wouldn't start back up. At that moment, I already knew water's on my leg. Alright, we got water in the cylinder.
All right, so what just happened just now is that the cooling system just boiled over. I'm trying to figure out why. You can see it's coated the whole entire tire. Sorry, spitting out on me. I'm about to check my overflow real quick. Yeah, that's a lot of water in the overflow. So what I might have to do is, I don't know, add more coolant. I was riding for a really long time. All right, I just found out what happened. So it actually blew the head. So I think I have to tighten down these bolts, these 4 bolts. Once I drain out all the coolant, I mean not all the coolant, but all the coolant out the head, I retighten down these bolts and add coolant back to the system, and it should hold again. I guess all the vibration and whatnot just.
Alright, that's going to do it on this video. Stay tuned for part 2, where I actually take apart the motor and see what's going on inside the head, and then see if I can replace the gasket and give y'all updates as I figure things out. But peace, guys. Please don't forget to share this video, like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, see you on the next one.
Perfect.